I am just super excited right now. I'm Ben Kane, this is Crunchy Farm. Just shooting a little video here. It's mid-January on the farm, and just as of New Year's, we actually finished fencing a field here in back of the farm. It's a new field. There's a lot of forage grass that the cows never had a chance to eat. And they ate it for about 3 days, and then we got a snowstorm. And we have about 4 inches of snow on the ground. It's been really cold. There's even an ice layer in between from some rain that we had. But to my excitement, my cattle are out here foraging in the snow looking for the grass. And that is just great news for their health. They're getting a fresh, constant, good quality, natural grass. And for me as the farmer, it helps with finances. I'm not having to hay them completely. They're able to supplement some of their food just naturally out here on the field. So this is just ideal, which is fantastic. So here's a video of one of our Scotch Highland cattle grazing in January. So as you can see, she just digs down into the snow, finds grass, and just pulls it up and eats it just like she would any other grass. She's been all through here. Very exciting. Grazing in January. All right, well, this is Ben Kane from Crunchy Farms. Until next time, stay safe and eat well. Thank you.
To raise healthy cattle, visit the website in the description box below for more guidelines.